You can use FusionSolar app or FusionSolar Smart Themes to retrieve the FusionSolar password. First, let's talk about retrieving passwords from FusionSolar Smart Themes. Enter FusionSolar Smart Themes address. Click Forgot Password. Enter the email address and verification code. And click Next. Click Obtain Verification Code. And click Next. Reset new password. Password changed successfully. Next, let's see how to retrieve the password from FusionSolar app. Open FusionSolar app. Click Forgot Password. Enter the email address and verification code. Obtaining and entering a verification code. Password retrieved successfully.